feel privileged to introduce our guest of the day, Dr. Shalini Narayan, former student of Sister Nivedita School, who has passed out in the year 2009. Dr. Shalini Narayan is a distinguished obstetrician and gynecologist with a passion for delivering exceptional patient care. She holds an MBBS degree and an MS in obstetrics and gynecology. Her pursuit of excellence has led her to pursue a fellowship in laparoscopy and endogynecology. She has also cleared the prestigious MRCGO Part 1 examination from the UK. She has completed her senior residency at the renowned Osmania Medical College, Petlabuj. We as a proud of you, Dr. Shalini. Now I request the guest of the day, Dr. Shalini Narayanan, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to dignitaries on the dais, Harihar Prasad sir, Principal Lalita Kumari madam, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and the little ones. I stand as a proud alumni of Sister Nivedita School, and I am deeply honored to be invited as guest of the day for the 35th annual meet for foundational sage from nursery to class 2. I can vividly still remember when I was comparing the annual day function as a 10th grade student. And today, coming back in this capacity, I feel truly honored. From leading literacy club in school to securing 3 subject tops in 10th grade, I would like to dedicate this journey to my parents, teacher, and this school because it has laid a strong foundation and value. I believe great in the profound line from the Veda, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. And hence, today is a great day for me to express gratitude towards parents, teachers, because without their unwavering support, this journey wouldn't have been possible. And I like to extend my congratulations to teachers today because they have created such an inspiring and nurturing environment. And I believe teachers just don't shape the academic success, they are also shaping characters and values. And my dear parents, I want to thank you also because you have trusted this institution for your little ones. And those all little kids, this is your day. I'm really excited to see what you going to bring the creativity to stage. As a doctor and as a mom to a toddler, I really want to emphasize how important is good lifestyle habits, proper nutrition, sleep, and physical activity have become. But I also want to bring to notice one thing, what I'm seeing in my clinical practice and also in the recent researches. The health problems that we are seeing in the later part of the life and which are mostly due to stress, anxiety, the mental health struggles that the children or the adults are facing are all having roots back to their childhood. And this realization has made me to emphasize that we need to create emotional intelligence and emotional resilience in our younger child. And how do we do this? I just want to take 2 minutes of time because the parents are here from age group until 7 and 8, which are the golden years. These simple strategies, I think if we practice, they'll be more emotionally strong so that they will handle the setbacks that they're going to face easily. How many of us are actually teaching emotional vocabulary to our kids? Happy, sadness, They should be taught emotional vocabulary. Let's validate their emotions. Let's teach them these are normal and acceptable. And for them to do this, we have to idolize ourselves to be more emotionally resilient. Let's cultivate to make them understand that efforts are more important than the outcomes. Small wins are more important and than the process. And I think small exercises that we can teach to the small kids around 7 to 8 year old, simple breathing exercises, counting 1 to 10, emotional control, and stress handling. I think these are very, very important. And already, as Principal Ma'am has said, already the school is providing great support for extracurricular activities other than academics that will bring the balance that is required for an overall development and holistic development. I wish all the young kids out there grand success in coming years. I hope as I'm standing today as a guest of the day, somebody of you will also come back as alumni to this stage. Keep shining bright, work hard, never give up, make school proud, parents proud, and enjoy the celebrations. Thank you. Do take care.
Your words of wisdom are truly a motivation. Thank you, madam. Kindly occupy a seat. It's time to felicitate our guest of the day. I request our correspondent sir and principal ma'am to felicitate Dr. Shalini Narayan and present a memento as a token of our gratitude. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Kindly take your seat, ma'am.